Hello and welcome to this special edition of Live Good daily video, and the the why takes care of the how. So the topic of the video is why will take care of the how. So oftentimes you're like, how am I going to build this business? I don't have any experience. I don't have any the resources or the tools or the knowledge or the upline support or whatever. If your why is big enough, if the reason why you're building the business is important to you, you're going to figure it out. So in other industries, I've met people who have been completely down on their luck, and they had this raw determination that they were not going to continue to do things the way they always been done. So like one person that I knew had went door to door. He was an insurance person, and he had no money for leads. He had no money at all. He had his license, and he was living in his car, and he went door to door, and he built himself a $1 million business. He's like making 7 figures every year now in insurance. Another friend in the network marketing space, he was on unemployment. The COVID virus really hit him hard. His industry got shut down, and he had his last little bit of money, and he threw the football. He landed in the end zone, but he went all in because his why was bigger than the how. So, if you're wondering how is this going to work or how am I going to do this, you just have to have the right why. And oftentimes the why takes care of the how. And it's also like that little saying from Dexter Yeager. Dexter Yeager is a big Amway person, but I like what he says: if the dream is big enough, then the facts don't matter. So anyway, I hope you found that to be inspirational. Let me know if you have any comments or questions, and I will talk to you tomorrow.